Let's now discuss what it means for India markets. We're down about 100 points. Shanghai is actually holding up. It's flattened. And even the GIFT Nifty has seen a recovery from where it started off in trade. Kunal, hi, good morning. What are we in for today, looking at what the global picture is?
Yeah, so good morning. First of all, we were expecting that the markets would probably be into a range going into the event, and especially I think post the event, if the SGX Nifty GIFT Nifty something to go by, then a 250-point cut, 1% is just about the index getting back into a a normalization phase over the last 2 days. 2 days back we were on the verge of breaking that 23,000 mark, and yesterday we were almost at 23,300 plus levels. So which means we have found the range or the short term range for the index to be 23,000, 23,100 as a support, and on the upside 23,500 as a resistance. I don't see any major follow through downside on an intraday basis for the indices. Yes, there could be some severe gap downs which could happen for individual stocks, but once the markets digest this, maybe in the first half an hour, first 1 hour or so, I think we should probably get back into a zone of neutralization. The other adding factor to the markets is that the India VIX has not risen. So we are almost at 13.5 India VIX in the last 2 days, even though the volatility had started to increase on the overall indices, but it did not result to any major jump in the India VIX. So that's another added reason why I would believe that post the event out of the way, once the India VIX starts to drop down, the index or the intraday volatility for the index drops down, and that leads to more of the index going to a stable territory.
So Kunal, tell me what your stock bias is going to be today.
So I'll go with two buy calls. The first one is one Container Corporation. I think it's a very interesting chart. The stock confirming two very important breakouts: a bullish flag formation breakout, a 50 DMA breakout, which I believe could be a very positive for the near-term prospects of Container Corporation. Would suggest a buy with 740 as a target. Stop loss could be kept at 680. And Titan is something which has started to spring up into a very strong potential risk-reward buy. The stock has been going through a severe downtrend over the last 3 to 6 months. In fact, just last week or so, the stock was sub the 3,000 mark, which is already a multi-year low for Titan. But now I believe that the tide could be turning for the stock. We are looking at a double bottom formation, a strong indication in terms of bullish RSI divergence. So look out for initial target of 30 to 20. Stop us at 3,000.
Okay.
If you like this video, then like, share, and subscribe to ET Now.